Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you, students?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm also fine, Alhamdulillah. Students, what is the topic today? Shapes and size. Shapes and size. And you have drawn a wall clock. Here are some shapes. What types of shapes here? Wall clock. What types of shapes here? How many shapes here? How many shapes here? How many shapes? 4 shapes. How many shapes? 4 shapes. What are they? A square, circle, rectangle, and triangle. Again, square, circle, rectangle, a square, circle, rectangle, and triangle. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What a nice. What a nice. Okay, raise your left hand. Left hand. Okay, bye-bye.